Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add the wobble animation effect to stickers only on Capcut PC. So select the image or video you like to edit and just going to add the stickers. Tap on stickers, select stickers you like. Uh, for instance, select this one and just for the duration. And how to add the wobble animation, just going to animation, select loop animation. You can find the wobble animation here, just tap on it and here we go, just for the duration size and just for the speed. Yeah, it's so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.